Hello, today I want to talk a little bit about the Gatton CNC kits. As most of you know, I began offering the Gatton CNC kits about 2 years ago and they've been a huge success. There are hundreds of them across the United States and quite a few in Canada as well. I have to say that the guys and gals that have built their Gatton CNCs have done a great job. Let's take a look at a few of those amazing builds. Wow, those are some great looking Gatton CNCs. Now if you'd like to build a Gatton CNC, there's no better time than right now. As of today, June 1st, 2018, I'm offering a plans only purchase option for the Gatton CNC kits. You can now purchase the plans and build your own Gatton CNC regardless of where you live. So come and join us and become a member of the fast-growing Gatton CNC community that has a lot of great folks that are willing to help anyone with their CNC questions. To get your questions answered, you should join the Gatton CNC Facebook group or join the Dave Gatton Community Forum. There are lots of people there that have been there, done that, so it's easy to find an answer to your question. I'll have links for both of these down below in the video description. So if you've been wanting to build a DIY CNC, try the Gatton CNC. It's a time-tested, proven design that allows you to build a CNC that's just the right size for your shop. I hope you'll come and join us. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Man, I want to look at those builds again.